Hello everyone and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house here in Ghana. If it is your first time here, my name is Elgigogh and this is the Family House Project episode 10. In episode 9 we started with the plastering and also we looked at the electrical works for this particular project. And after 3 months, the plastering is completed. We even have electricity on site. Electrical works are done, and we are at the phase of the toweling, right? So today we had a visit on site. We have Brother Sami, engineer. Mr. Kwete is also here, and some family members to inspect what has been done so far. We are in the homoho season, getting to the homoho season, and this is a family, right? So it's a family house, right? So as we said, so we want to speed up a little bit, get it nicely, from the outside, so that the family can come and celebrate their homoho right here. This location is old Ningo, so that is the electricity meter here on site. That is the tiling works, right, done by Abo. Beautiful work done here by the team. You can see, the work speaks for itself, right? I don't have to say too much about it. You can see the work being done here, right? So if you've been following this project, you know that this was an old existing structure which was like a old mud house that we have to demolish to put up this structure, right? So if you are interested to know more about this particular project, if you go to my playlist, it's called the Family House Project. You will see how we started. All the tips and ideas. Even the cost estimate from the beginning is also there. So if you're interested to know more, you can go and check it out. Also, for those that want to do renovation of their family house or maybe their old existing house, this particular project is a way of, it gives you an idea and tips, because we have to demolish half of the whole structure on the compound to be able to put up this structure. And you will see the other part, which later on, when this phase is done, we will move to that section also and get it done. So this project is for those that want to do renovation or amendment of their old house or old structure. This is one project that you have to pay attention to, right? So this is the tiling work going on by, I said, like Abo. Abo has been on this channel. You've seen him on most of my projects, all the way from the Tama project, the Dorinya project. He did the tiling and the roofing. You've seen him here on the channel. We are using the same people, right? The same team from start, right, all the way to here, right? So it's been a journey on this, Gigo production group. And we are still moving on. Like I said, I want to take things step by step. So you see that all our projects that we are working on are all getting to the same phase, right? We are all moving step by step with all the projects. Building is not just about laying blocks and all that. It's about management, right? It's about trying to keep costs down, right? And also, like, to me, like I always tell you, my main aim here is to, reduce the pressure in construction, right? Because sometimes some of the stories we hear, people go through so many hardship to put out their homes, and after they are done, they don't even have the time to, enjoy the home, the house. It's either maybe something goes wrong and they still have to keep doing maintenance, or sometimes, because of the pressure, they get sick and they cannot even enjoy the house. Some even don't live long to actually enjoy the house. If you look at the number of years it takes them to put up the house, they are done and then they are weak, they are gone, right? So that is my main aim here, that you will get your house built. Trust me, if you want to build, you will get it built, but just take your time and do it right? You always have to get the best team. You always have to communicate with the team. Just tell them what you can do, what you are looking for, and they will make a plan on it. It's different. I'm not saying that all the teams are the same, But Gigo Production Group, that is what we are looking at, right? We are looking at not putting pressure on people. So when you come, please, be real with us. Let us know what you can do, how you want to do it, and we will make the plan based on your finances, and then we know how to go about it, right? So this is
My
Gigo
name is
Production Group
Tashi.
for you.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel. This Mr. Kwete as usual. The blog, the supplier on Digo Production Group. We are here today at Old Ningo Ahiam. This is a family house which the Digo Production Group has taken it upon as a contract to build a family house on behalf of the Digo Production Group. So as supplier, we have come to check the project and see how far the project has gone. And indeed, we can see that a lot of progress in the project as we speak now. Because this is a sitting area for the family, and I can see the tiles work is completed. And then we have the lighting system too. I is here to fix the box on the lighting system. Then there will be a POP later on this floor. Then from there, we have where this is a family house. So, sometimes in Africa, we believe in those things when someone is gone, pass away, we bring the person to the family house for to bath for the person and decorate as well. So this is where the dead body will be bathed. This is the bathing sink for the dead body. So after the dead body is bathed here, we bring the person here for to dress the person and bring it here for decorate it for people to come and have a look at it. So you can see this is the hall for the dead body. So from here, when they check after this place, then they will lay him on stage. This is where they will lay him, he or her. Then from here, then we'll be putting into the coffin. From the coffin straight to the God, which is the cemetery. So when we send you to the cemetery, then you'll be buried. Then we either will bring the Thanksgiving back here, or from church service we come back to the house. If it is not church service, we have our mamre to do. So as you can see, we have the big man over there because it's a family house. It's something that belongs to the family. The spiritual people are also there, and they also do to perform their culture and their rights as a family. In case you come from this family, the families do the same thing. So this is how far with the family house project. This is the phase one. We are almost getting down to the phase one, almost finishing. So we'll go to the phase two. Left with the windows, the burglar proof is ready. The glass work is also in the process. So I think by end of this month, those things will come together. Then we are done with the phase one. We are going to the phase two. We will break this area, then do some setting, set it up, and raise it. After which we do some fence wall. Then we have completed the family house project. At Ahiam, this is a contract, as I told you, which has been taken over by Digo Production Group in collaboration with the supplier, the engineer, the whole team, the whole team. Yeah, and we are almost done. We, as you know, as we deliver whatever we want to do, we do accordingly and deliver to our clients and customers. So in case you want um, a smooth project, transparency, and honesty, just contact people production. Or if you are around Tema, pram, the way in Accra, you want anybody who can supply you the materials, you call 0246246938. This number is very common. 0246246938. Please, I don't want any cluster. If you want to work with us, be real and come real so that we work with you genuinely. Welcome back to the channel again. This is Mr. Kwete as usual. Your number one supplier on the channel, Digo Production Group, all the way from Tema to Old Ningo and Hiam. This is the family house project. We are going upstairs to just know what we have done so far and how far the project has gone to in this area. We have done the lighting system, have done working on the other area. This is actually there's a 2 bedroom down, 3 bedroom up, and a conference hall for the first phase. The phase one is having 2 bedroom down, 3 bedroom up, 3 bedroom up, and then a conference room. This looks just like a master bedroom with other 2 bedroom, the normal 2 bedroom with each toilet and bath separately. And this is the conference room. This is the conference room. So this is a conference room for the family in case we have any special meeting. This is where they have to come and then meet for that special meeting. This is for the phase one. The phase two will continue as soon as the down is settled. We go to the phase two and then come back to the whole project roughly next year. So in case you want somebody, a group of people get into a project like this, you contact this number 0246246938. This is a family house at Old Ningo Ahiam. Project and over by managed by Digo Production Group, built by Digo Production Group, construct by Digo Production Group, architectural work Digo Production Group, supply Digo Production Group. So you contact the group, anybody on the group, being Digo, Brasame, Nat, Mr. Kwete, anybody. The special number is 0246246938. 0246246938. We have a land at Old Ningo Ahiam, which we sell. If you contact this number in case you want any land for school, industrial, or residential, just call 0246 for multi-purpose use. 0246246938 at Ahiam or Pram and the way Chopoli as well. We have gotten another block factory at Chopoli. So all the people buying land at Chopoli, Agoto, Huapa, Shiloh, behind Shiloh, call 0246246938 for your supply. Block, sandstone, cement. We don't sell iron rod yet, but block, sand, stone, cement for concrete. Call me, I will deliver. Call us, we will deliver. Digo Production Group, we deliver.
So that's Mr. Kwete for you, our supplier here at Gigo Production Group. So fast forward, you can see our burglar proof has been installed and info is on the doors installation. If you've been on the channel in my previous videos, I did mention that info was actually doing furnitures, right? When it comes to wardrobe, doors, kitchen cabinet and all that. That was what the focus was before joining Gigo Production Group. And then, he found interest in, in construction. And then he joined with the hard work, which is like decking and roofing and all that. So if you need a carpenter, I don't know if he wants to go back to the furnitures, but if you can convince him, that's good. If not, he's good with decking and roofing. If you go to my playlist called the Info Carpentry, you'll see more of his work right there, right? So since we are in the homo season, I do have some homo videos coming. There's some of the celebrations. So from now on, most of my pram project and then my Ningo project, I will be chipping some of these videos, getting to the end of the video. So this is just for the season, right? This is the season in which we are. So please enjoy, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's do it.